guys, today I'm making Oreo cake. I have, you see this cactus jar? It has Oreo in glass. I have my Batman helping me. And my shirt says best chef. And then I put 4 Oreos in the mug. And now I'm going to smash the fork like this. Oh, the one got cracked in. Like that so. Now it's time to add milk in this Oreo cake. Now I mix it up. It's ready. Now it's gonna time to put this. Now it's time to add this in. I put this in the oven. It is time to lick this. Yummy, yummy. Oh my goodness, guys! It looks so good. I want to show you guys. You see, it's kind of hot, so I'm gonna wait for it. And thanks for watching my video. And